the Boeing 737 MAX 8. Okay, news update. Dennis Muilenburg, CEO of Boeing, at an investor conference in California, said that he's hoping that the Boeing MAX 8 will return to service in the fourth quarter of 2019. He went on to say that they're doing well with the software fix. Good one, Dennis. But the real stumbling block for getting the plane back in the air is the regulatory authorities. No. It is possible that the FAA will let the plane fly by Christmas in the US, but the European Union has said they want an independent inquiry on the 737 MAX 8 before it flies in Europe. And the rest of the world, I know nothing. What we need as the flying public and professional pilots also need is a plane that is safe and that the pilots fully are trained and understand how to use. I'm sure the Boeing 737 MAX 8 will end up being okay. I really doubt whether it's actually a 737, and I think that's the big issue. But Boeing, please make planes safer like you used to do and stop having planes designed by marketing and the accounts department, because the truth is out there.